guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. Today, we're breaking down how to start investing in 2025, even if you have zero experience. Let's get started. 1. Why you should start investing. Now, before we dive into how to invest, let's talk about why investing is crucial. Did you know that if you invest just $10 a day with an 8% annual return, you could have over $150,000 in 30 years? That's the power of compounding. The sooner you start, the better. 2. Understanding investment options. Now, let's talk about where to invest your money. Here are 4 solid options for 2025. Stock market. Invest in companies like Apple, Tesla, or even index funds like the S&P 500. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, perfect for beginners. These are baskets of stocks that lower your risk. Real estate crowdfunding. You don't need millions to invest in real estate anymore. Platforms like Fundrise let you start with as little as $10. Crypto and Web3, Bitcoin and Ethereum are still relevant, but be cautious. Only invest what you can afford to lose. 3. How much money do you need to start investing? Many people think they need thousands to start investing, but that's not true. You can start with as little as $5 using apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Just be consistent, even if it's a few bucks per week. 4. Beginner mistakes to avoid. Let's save you from making expensive mistakes. Avoid these common beginner traps. Investing without research. Panic selling when the market drops. Putting all your money into one stock. Ignoring fees. Some platforms charge hidden fees that eat into your profits. 5. Best strategy for beginners in 2025. If you're just starting, follow this simple 3-step strategy for 2025. 1. Start with index funds and ETFs. They're low risk and grow over time. 2. Invest consistently. Set up auto-invest and invest every month, no matter what. 3. Think long-term. The stock market rewards patience. Ignore short-term ups and downs. 6. Take action today. All right, now it's your turn. Here's what to do next. Open a brokerage account, Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Pick your first investment, index fund, ETF, or stock. Invest your first $10 and keep going. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next video.